What's up everyone, in this video, I'll show you a quick highlight about Aronium POS, Restaurant Order Management and Inventory Management System. Aronium POS is an advanced order management and POS solution that's perfect for restaurants, cafes, and different food stores. Plus, if you have any kind of shop, supermarket, or you're a wholesaler or distributor, it's one of the best inventory management software out there. Inventory management. In inventory management, it helps you control everything easily. When you purchase a product, you can create a purchase document, and when you sell a product, you can also create sales documents, with or without tax. It's got professional document management options and helps you manage your inventory over time. 2. Product and stock management. You can register and manage products and their stock amount by category, with prices, and even add images for each product. 3. Advanced reporting. It comes with a super advanced reporting feature. You can filter reports by time period, document type, user, cash register, and more, then view or print the reports directly. 4. User and access level management. This is one of the most crucial features. When you register a user on Aronium POS as a super admin, you can decide which user accesses which area of the software. You do this by assigning access levels from 0 to 9. The higher the number, the more permissions that user gets. Five. Promotions and actions. You can schedule discounts for holidays or special days. That means you can set discounts by percentage or fixed value for selected products only during specific time periods. 6. Tax rate management. You can add and manage different types of tax rates. For example, for purchases, you can set withholding tax, and for sales, you can set VAT. So let's see how it works in real time. At this time, when I recorded this video, it's set up for restaurant order management. Here, you can see the design of every table. You can select one of the tables to place an order. After you select a table, you can add products and save the order on that table. Over here you have a search option where you can search products. Once you select a product, it'll display its details here. You can also search by product code or barcode, then add it to the order queue. For customer management, you can register returning customers, or in this case, waiters, and assign orders to them. Now, let's select one of the empty tables. Add products by category or by searching. Open each category and just click on the product image or name. After adding products, all the order items will be displayed with details like quantity and prices. When you click Save, it'll print the kitchen order for this table, if the printer is connected. Then you're free to add another order to another table, creating separate orders for each one. Now, if a customer wants to add more items to an existing table, just select the table again, add the new items to the queue, and when you save, it'll print a new kitchen order only for the new items. When the customers finish eating and are ready to pay, just select the table and click Payment. On the payment page, you can accept payment through different options. For example, they can pay some amount in cash and the remaining through other options like bank. You can split the payment, and when you press OK, it'll be marked as settled. Then it displays the receipt with all order details and payment options. And if the printer is set up, it'll print it. The table is now free for a new order. Alright, and there's also floor plan and table design management. Since every restaurant has a different table structure or layout, maybe some tables are on the balcony or upper floor, this feature is really important. You can add tables, place them anywhere to match your actual floor design, rename them, change their shape to rectangular or round, and adjust their width. If you have another area or floor, you can add a new floor plan, add tables, and design the layout accordingly. For example, add a second floor, add its tables, and design it just like your physical structure. Once you're done designing, click Save, and your new structure will appear exactly as you created it. Now, let's see about users and access level management. Inside the Security tab, you can set the required access level numbers between 0 and 9. The higher the number, the fewer users will have access. For example, if management requires access level 3, then users with level 2, 1, or 0 can't access it. Only users from 3 to 9 can. The number 0 means any user can access that area. When you create a new user, by default, they have level 0 unless you set it manually. After you set access level requirements for each section, you can create users based on those rules. Just write their name, set a password, assign an access level, and save. That's it. The user will now access only what's allowed by their access level. You can also manage suppliers and frequently returning customers or waiters from here. Next up, reporting. Reporting is one of the most important parts of any POS system, and Aronium POS does it really well. Here, you have options to filter by purchases, stock amount, or sales documents. There are many filter options. You can also select date ranges or use predefined ones like today, yesterday, this week, and more. After selecting, press OK. You can print, export to Excel or PDF, or show the report on screen. It'll display neatly with all details. You can also manage product stock here and manage products by adding categories and related items. Alright, so this was a quick highlight of how Aronium POS works. I'll be publishing detailed videos covering each feature in depth, so stay tuned for those.